harabas tanan nga hisgot. So dili na nako nga sala nga mahimo tag famous, da mas ikasuko pa ninyo nga ma-famous ta. O nagsulti tag ma-famous kay may na dayon nga ay nagdanggo siya. Nagdanggo siya buntag. Famous daw siya. Una na daw kuno, ikaw daw kuno, perminti ka hisgutan day and night. Kuan pagid, every day pagid, every minute, every hour, sa di ka masikat. Asa man daw dapita ang mindset, be? Asa daw magkuan, isa pa, napoy buangon da nga tao nga, maski unsaon niya pagpaghut sa ako, di, manggig ko mo alarma. Paghut lang mo dihang tanan, kay, wagi switch kit mo alarm, ana. Paghut lang. Da, ni ang kuan lang kay nagkatawa ko kani kay binisadya man jud nino perti gining bisadya nagkatawa ko kay giunsa ka na paghilo sa uban no kanang pagbutbuot og istorya ba nga ang account sa akong darling nga European anong mayngon mga ako nagamit huy dili na uy iyan ang kabubuton. Iyan ang kabubuton nga kuan daw wa pug ko kahibaw ana nga gi samtang di ay nga nagkuan kanang kibali. Atong nag road trip bako katong naglarga kog ko ni bakasyon ato. Samtang nag-istoryahay mi nagkuan dito siya. Nag-recording ko dito siya mutong pasensya na mo di mga paranoy ha kay bisadya gid kong dako kay masikat na masuko mo nga masikat ko inyo man ang mga sala kay ngano sige mo gahisgot mamatay mang adlaw kun ninyo ko hisgutan nagtuo mo nga masakit ko maglagot ko wala ni katawar ako kay sige mo gapaghut daon niya wala man ko'y imik. Sige ra ko gatawa. Ang pangutana na ang pwedeng sulsul nga rong pud ang nagsusul. Ang nagsusul nga hala tan-awa si kuan ang yang uyab niya kay pagtuo pod sa kadtong abnormal ay palihog no kanang bitong mga susulero anang baliw diha. Ingnara na siya nga in town unsaon man ako paggamit sa account sa akong laki nga wa ni password ganino wa ko kabaw si password ana. Ang kataw-anan kay mura siya buang bitaw nga pataka siya gyawit nga moingon nga ang naggamit ana ako daw. Giyon sa pagkahitabo. Hindi man ko manghilabot ana sa iyang butang. Tuod ako nang kuan darling nga European. Uy, di man tang ko manghilabot uy. Gid ko kay iyan ang personal gid. Gid ko manghilabot. Ang kataw-anan kay nagpatakag yaw-yaw.
Masangil na po.
Namasangil nga hala kuan daw kanang tan-awan ninyo nga piki daw kuno na nga kuana kana daw kuno account ako daw kuno naggamit na buang nang sa pagkahitabo
Hoy, nag-eskwela ko mag-IT dire.
Isa pa guys ang kataw-anan guys kay baliw na baliw gid siya no. Ang iya ra bang gigamit nga kanang nga mga kuan mga kanang ansa ni? Grabe kay ang pagkaigdulay sa ako aba. Uy masika. Ayo pagpalabi. Uy kay masikat ko. Na. Mapimos gani ko maadto gani ko sa GMA ani o ABS-CBN na. Digi ko magpasalamat. Uy mga hater diha. Ayaw mo pagpalabi og pagyawyog about sa ako. Kay ngano? Na, gumikan ninyo basin makaadto, ma-viral ko da maadto ko dito GMA o maadto ba dito kang sa ABS-CBN na. Maninga na tawagan, manawagan na sila ali na diri ka na viral na ka. Sa pagka-viral, nay isa ka tawo nga baliw na baliw. Sige ra gahisgot na tapos mirabag ka nang dili ta bulok ka nang iyang gibuhat nga. Haya dayod wish. May nang Bisayon dayod wish. Kay di manganganga na siya day. Magnganganga na siya diha day. Mapungot ra ba siya? Ang iya ra bang kuan? Baha mamatay gina siya ganang translate ana. Ang mga susuliro pod niya. Kay di pod kanang sakto pag sulsul. Asa ka day? Ang account daw ko no sa akong laki, ako daw ko na nagamit kay porque nag-upload siya katong wa ko kahibalo nga wa po siya nagsaba nga katong daan bitaw nga pag bakasyon ako dito sa Dumaguete. Adto siya karon walay ba nako nga iya kong kanang kuyaw man ang iyang kuan kay iyang laptop. Karon gi-record ko niya kay para magkuan pod siya ba mag-upload pod. Nabaya na ron kanang samtang nag-video call mo ikuan. Karon gi-upload niya nananghid na siya. Ana siya. I-upload na ko tong imong kuan, imong dati nimo nga. Ako ba? Na kuan na appreciate pug ko kay prouded. Bahaler. Oy, prouded. Normal. Ma-appreciate ba ka nga? Mura taanig si Angie og kuan nga. Katawa ko ni Angie ato sa una nga. Ingnon niya si tamig ibutang iyang naong daw kuno da si imong profile kay para pagka tinuod daw kuno nga nahigugma siya. Prouded po nato oy. Oh. Prouded po baya nato nang kanang atong darling i-post dito sa iyang content. Ay, Ginoo ko. Malanay po atong atay. Ala ka kay ang mga inggitira day kanang suko man. Kay kuno dayud wish ang mga inggitira day kanang suko man. So sa taon kung kapareha mo sa amo ni dayud wish og kalog-kalog na kanang mga ingana di na mo na idibdib di gid na mo na idibdib mga tawa rami ako ikuan ha kanang among kaagi sa unang panahon ako suportado gid ko sa iyang kanang channel sa unang panahon na mo na siya nga Princess saka ta ka magkinalugta ka na ay mga kuan mga friends. Tuod man na may mga pasaway, di man gina nimo kalikayan na may mga pasaway nga mga bisita, charot. Lami ko siun ang bugang. Di man dito bain no. Lucky yun ito. Pero kami continue ra gid mi smile, laughing. Amo gyapon silang gi-entertain nga maski kanang tuod man lahi nang ilang gipanulti sa amo pero still kalma lang mi longer years me and you'd wish friend we're not kuan jud oy nothing problem jud kay mura jud mig kasinabot. Danay mga moments namo ni Dayud Wish nga you never heard nga na-scatter diri sa YT. Wala jud. Keep on touch gid me to put that in a kuan. In the kaban. Nga no one jud nga makalet to know. Mao jud na.
Kanang mga batasan niya yung anak mo na gingon ni Vice President Sara mga tambalos-los.
Mo bitaw no. Kanang dili bitaw na kanang nay ubang tawo nga dili kasaligan. Abi ninyo guys, abi ninyo si Dayud Wish, maka-assure gid ko 100%. Makatrust gid ko sa iya kay ngano daghan na gid may mga kinalug na mo nga kanang murag totally nga lain na siya nga kalog. Pero di ko masaba unsa na siya nga kalog. Jamming namo pero wala gid ko'y nadungog nga gikan niya nga nag-spread niya sa anyone, wala jud. Wa pa siya nadungog nga nag-spread ko about sa iyang wala. Gi-ignore na mo among life na mo nga nag up and down. Ignore unsay among istoryahon. Lapos to sa dalunggan, di ba day no? Munang guys, kamo guys, subscribe ninyo si Dayud Wish because una among mga sekreto trustable gid siya kay di gid na siya mo alarma. Mukatawa ra na siya. Mukatawa ra gid na siya kay kami sa una sus Ginoo ko. Naay mga pasaway nga among kabanding wala naay mga ingon nila nga na mga love team dati na wala joy ni spread nga mga moment nga nagchika-chika di mga chismis-chismis wa jud ka tuwaron man ko balis karon wa gid mo daw ay tuwaron lang may balis karon ni Dayud Wish wa gid mo mahuho sa mua. Puro rami magkalingog pangatawa. Lagi. Correct gid day. We keep gid among secret. Kay na mga charing-charing gid mi dat. Ay Ginoo ko maka-remember lang ko gid sa una. Maong kuan gid mi. Go gid mi. Nakalimot po ko nga unsa to nga moment nga nawa ang among mga bandingan. Pero at least naa pagyahapon mi among friendship. Among friendship is still the same. Nawala na lang ang na broke na lang ang akong waiting nga isa. O at least na fix na ko pero ang friendship namo ni Dayud Wish na pagyahapon. Abi ninyo guys no even though daghay mo istorya nga kanang mayon ayaw na siya amigaha, ayaw na siya kuana kay ana pero wagig ko nituo sa uban guys, honestly lang. Wa ko nituo kay wala man gid nako wa ko'y nakita sa iyaha. Kay since sa una pa nga naamo yung manintalay nga kuan mga silosa nga mga kuan uy amigo din mo ana niya ko nga longer time na ano man ayaw na siya amiga no di ka makaingon ana kay kuan damayon din magbantay ka ana niya naka-proven gyud ko ni Dayud Wish nga wa jud siya kuan nothing gid ang ako. Wag ko nakita sa nga bad side. Wala. Kay kung i-compare na ko siya sa akong mga friend nga akong na-meet, kanang mga fake friends nga akong na-meet, mas mo believe pa ko kay Dayud Wish. Nga even though wa pa mi nag-meet, at least siya mo keep it on gid siya. Nami trust sa isag usa ang amo rang mga kanang mga kinalog magkalog mi karong adlaw pagkaugma wala murag wala lang back to normal di na mo kanang dibdibon bitaw na mo nga nay mga stranger bitaw nga mo kuan ing anak mi kakuan sa una ing anak mi kakusgan. Hi Bella, how are you? Wait a minute. Bella, Did I put you a moderator, I think? I don't know. Did I put you a moderator? Lagi day. Kuan ang akong kuan sa iya kanang ang team song namo ni Dayud Wish kay Count on Me. Count on Me. Do you know that song, Day? Count on me.
Count to me.
Oh, count on me. Take a friendship I will never end. With you only I will be strong. Helping you to carry on. Call on me, I will be there. Don't be afraid. Please believing when I say, count on, and you can count on me. Hey! Atay! Careless! Hey! Nakadundo ba na ka sa ito? May pagsayaw-sayaw. Yatay. Uy, bibo kayo sa una na mubitaw ng daghay ng mga inggitira sa una sa ako kay gumikan ni Dayud Wish. Ay, naghay na kamo lang nailado ko. Nga, koan. Ay, gumikan niya. Gumikan ka Dayud Wish na daghan ako yung mga fans ng mga foreigner dati. Pero friend lang na sila. Agoy, ang namay mga suyaon, mga inggitira. Ayun. Pero at least, bahalag mga wa na sila, di lang nila wadon ang among friendship ni Dayud Wish. Di ba, Day, no? O, di ba? Bitaw, oy, dati na daghan kay may mga mubitaw ng pag first time na ako og kuan di man ni kanang binutbot pag first time na ako Bello napakada Bello nawa na nilayas na kay nagbinisaya manggod ko di man nakasabot katong first time bitaw na ako nga kuan first time na ako nga nag-monetize ko muna bitaw nang moingon mo karon ha kay naman si Dayud Wish saksi gid si Dayud Wish ang akong mga haters sa una nagwonder ngano daw ko nung dako daw ang akong kuan katong una bitaw na ko nga account ngano daw ko nung dako daw ko nung akong mga subscriber walang mo kahibaw ka day and night me unsay among mga unsang orasa hala to ako permente sa ila day sa channel ni Dayud Wish kay para lang nga malip up ang akong channel kay gumikan sa mong kalog-kalog o di na lip up da ang mga marites kay nang wonder man nga giunsa daw nako nga nganong natuki daw ang akong subscriber kay naaman tong mga friend namo nga mga kanoing kanang sila didto na ko na nakaila sila kanang sila Brett sila si basta daghan kaayo nga gipaila-ila sa ako kay musaka manggid ko sa panel na ako permente sa panel digid na miss up lang ka usahay pero na most of the time na ako sa panel kay labi na magkalug-kalug na mi dati kay naami maka nay one foreigner nga among kuanan kanang among ihabing fan bitaw kay magkanta-kanta man di kami ang manguan kami ang kibali ang mga assistant ay Bello thank you yeah you are exactly Bello you know Bello I know who is the owner of that two account. Yeah, because that kind of a two account, you can see how many years that build that kind of a account. Maybe somebody, maybe they put somebody name and then they hide those video. Then they put my name in there and then they change the picture into me and then they making up a video. That kind of a video is a fake. Oh, they made from AI editing. You know AI? Like they stolen a picture and then you can see the picture. If the picture moving, turn to into a different person. Look at the big wallet. The big wallet, a short video. He made that one in AI. But in reality, they are not as sexy or beautiful. They are ugly. They are ugly. They are master of AI editing. You can think that, imagine everything. Velo, maybe soon I'll become a famous or superstar because of them. Yeah, you can see there. You can see it. Yeah. They make my picture turn to into like not good, but he thinking that they thinking that I be mad. Well, let them be. They are like a crazy dog barking on it, barking to the moon. They think that I be like angry, I'm mad now. Yeah, exactly. Because of money, they can do everything. They follow what the command on a mental person. Imagine whole of somebody telling on me that oy princess, imagine whole of content only your face on your only every night and day, every minute, every hour, keeping talking on you. Wow, how special you are to them. Soon you become a famous or you become a viral. Don't too much talking to me, because if you too much talking to me, I become you become I mean become a viral, and then those TV show like a GMA or ABS-CBN contact in me because of you. Yeah. If you said I'm ugly, why you keeping longing to me? If you said that I'm ugly, there's nothing too big deal that can be spending time and energy because of the big wallet of mammal eagles. Then yeah, they dreaming that the people like what the way they talk, only their own the same feather flock together, can be clapping the hands in the same attitude. Yeah. Yeah, because Bello, big wallet is mad on it, mad over me. Why? He cannot take if I'm topic about mistress, a bad motherfucker, father, can bad who trait into the children, showing to the children how to become a mistress. That's it. He get mad on that because he cannot take himself that is real, the truth that it's. He cannot accept, right? Many people can see how he do his children. Imagine, Velo, that is a good what you can say that. Is that right? That can showing to the children that, oh, this is your brother, new brother from other woman. Instead, the parents can say to the children, follow what I said, don't follow what I do. But he is the one who teaches children to follow what he do. We, who knows? If they growing up, they also become a mistress because that's what they teaching in their own father. Who knows, right? And and another one, he never he's a coward. Why? He afraid that the DSWD file a case on him because of the way he do in the children to show that is the mistress. Then they together on the mistress. The DSWD can be filed on that anytime for him. That's why they run into other country. And he's not a smart. Why? Easy to find because immigration there to immigration in the Philippines. You know what the DSWD said? The DSWD said we can easily find them. And I asked it, why? How come? How come you found on that? The immigration. Every country there is an immigration immigration and also embassy in every country.
Philippine Embassy.
Yeah, there is Philippine embassy. Yeah, he's dreaming that he's rich. Very funny. If he's rich, well, why? How long he got married with the Filipina until now? No property in the Philippines. Only that. What you got the education into the children. He never let the children on this year to go to the school since 2024 until now. He not let to go to the school. He's the one who teach the children to become maybe the big wallet said that children, when you growing up, this is what you do, become a mistress, you making a relationship with a married guy. Maybe that. And another one, the wife is shut up the mouth. She have nothing to do because she is lazy wife. You know that? She keep his eyes closed because if she against on it, she have no nothing. She go back to the province. Well, Velo, when they got like arguing each other, she's the one down on the house rent for long years. She go out to the house and bringing with the washing machine. and go back to the province. And then couple months, within 3 months, the big wallet never support the children. Suddenly, the wife running to the fisher to have asking a loan or money or work, and then she never know that Fisher and Big Wallet is a close friend. So Fisher is told to Big Wallet that, hey, your wife is running in here asking a favor. So there is a deal. The deal is alarm. Big Wallet making a deal to the wife. Okay, this is the last deal. If you not follow, I'm not support forever. So she closed her eyes because she's a lazy. She would know nothing. They peeping prouded that she's smarter. Oh, what kind of a smart? Why you not stand your feet on the ground? Do your own work. Not become a slaves. That's why the eagles getting mad, getting grr, damning grr, grr. He got mad because he said, "Oh no, sweet skit." Oh, another one. I have also the funny thing below when the times that they arguing, there is a other person that the wife thinking that to be trusted for. Then when the times that they fighting with the person, all the secret of Big Wallet show spreading on it. And I'm first time I seen everything. Those evidence comes from CCTV on the rental house, and also the police complaining. The wife running to the police, complain on the Big Wallet, and then someone show to me that say, "Oh, sweet Skito, read it." And when I read it, the police record, because the wife complained, I see the physical problem. Why? Oh my God! Did you slap at it? Did you hit at it? What do you do to your wife, Big Wallet? And then that before of that, when me and the wife um, we cross our like a road in a one channel, I come up some of a channel that go to the what you call that go to the inviting on me, yeah, I think. And then I never expected that the wife came up, and then the wife said on that, the wife said, "Oh no, I am not filing a case." The wife denied, "I'm not filing a case on the, there's nothing, oh, you're lying, princess." That's what she say. She never know that I record everything on it, on someone giving to me. The police record that he gave on, and another one that the copies of the from the CCTV together with the mistress and the children in there. I have it and all because of someone who gave to me. Then, they keeping lying in here. They pushing to everyone that I'm lie. How sure you are. The problem is the big wallet is cannot accept because he's a coward, you know. He's a coward and he had a lapping dog that making barking over to the moon. Well, the moon is not answering. Keeping barking until that the big wallet get bankrupt with you. Ah, I don't believe that the big wallet is a rich. Oh, it's not a big deal that you round the world traveling, you become rich. I don't believe you that. If you are a rich, well, you have your own property in Philippines, and also, you know what? If you are rich, you like do you know Manny Pacquiao? Yeah. Look at the life of Manny Pacquiao. I believe on Manny Pacquiao that he's rich. Why? He have a property in the General Santos. He have a property in the US. Oh, that that is. I believe that one that is a rich.
Sa Manila.
Imagine ha, every children had their own house already for the what you call that in the future. Only that? No, I don't think so that. And you think that I be jealous that you traveling? Or you dreaming? You dreaming that nothing gonna work? Ah, tanga-tanga. Yan. Tanga pa, pangit pa. Oh, ako pangit, ikaw mo is pangit. Yeah. That's why the lapping dog keeping barking never stop. Because if he stop, no support. Imagine ha, he asking for the plane ticket to come in the Philippines. So meaning he had no money. If he have money, well he can easily come in Philippines. He knows that is in the Philippines is very like expensive na. And also he cannot feed his own self daily. That's why he like he becomes slaves on a big wallet, on a lapping dog. Keeping barking, go. I like it. Go, barking pa more. Only you're on the same feather, flock together, can clap their hands. Look at on him, Velo. Every night, every day, keeping like that. No one like imagine ha this one. If you go to the restaurant, only one menu. Don't tell me that you keeping go there, keeping go. It's so like it's so boring. It's so yuck. It's same with that. Keeping talking on sweet skate. Sweet skate, go ahead, take your time. But sweet skate not be answering. I only talking with the leader. The leader is coward. That's why only the member keeping barking. Here. There's the song. How much is that dog in the window? You do that. Because you're a laughing dog. Oh, na, 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 na. And then you keeping ow ow. Thank you for coming, Bello. I'm sure, Bello, they are recording for us. You think that people believing that kind of a editing? Ah. Yeah, I cannot forget the things that I think he touched his pride, Velo, and then suddenly he touched his pride on that time. I I still like remembering on that when the times that I answering on that before, and then he touched his pride. Then he ran in the middle of the night and say, "Oh, princess, this is my property and from my family." Midnight, in 1 o'clock. Hello, 1 o'clock. You go to the he walking there. Some of a person who recording on that, and then show to me, and then they said, "Look at Switchgate, look at to." He live in the middle of the night, and he said that is his house, and then under construction with the neighborhood house. It's not on his house. If you are really like that is your property, show the papers. You do a vlog in the morning. You entertain the construction or engineer, the house who build it, but you have nothing. You think that I be jealous on that? I be alarmed on that? Oh, I'm sure you touch your pride. Look at you. You are totally older now. You sick your mind. I think this kind of a lapping dog is had Alzheimer because very nothing to do. Yeah, exactly, Velo. I'm sure they record us. I don't care because let the people to be judged that who is stupid and crazy, not me. You said that obsessed. Well, look at what you do. All your content is me. Oh, who am I that you keeping longing to me? You keeping idolize in me. Don't too much because I become a famous or something. Make a superstar because of you. Oh, let them be. Go take your time. Go ahead. So where everybody knows that the way you talk is already lies, lies, full of lies. Look like you fighting everybody. Everybody you fighting on the one time. Yeah. You're very right, Bello. I think Bello is knowing about them. I don't care if they keeping recording on me. There's nothing lost in me. There's nothing lost in me. So you barking for more. How much is the dog in the window? That's you. And you're keeping bark, bark, bark. Then apoy mga tao pud nga mga bisad. Nga di po magdisiplina. Anak nila, mudayeg man hino, o hindi, mga hampak pod mong mga utok. Yeah. Look like Velo, that kind of a lapping dog is almost stressing over it. He stressed on me. Look at his face. Look at his face. You have a lots of wrinkles. You have no beautiful. You're totally and old. So I need to say goodbye now and have a nice day there. Thank you so much, Bella. With you there, you'd wish. Susan and the rest in there